Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Zero Davila. Welcome back to Save Our System IT. Today I'll continue part number 15 of our Busybox series. The od command dumps files in octal and other formats. od writes an unambiguous representation using octal bytes by default of a file to standard output. If more than one file is specified, od concatenates them in the listed order to form the input. With no file, or when file is a dash, a hyphen, od reads from the standard input. Openvt will find the first available virtual terminal and run on it the given command with the given command options. Standard input, output, and error are directed to that terminal. The current search path, the path variable, is used to find the requested command. If no command is specified, then the environment variable shell is used. When there's a security fix available for a particular software, we typically do a binary upgrade using the package management tools like yum or apt-get. But there might be a situation where you have installed the software by compiling it from the source code. In those situations, how do you apply the security fix to the software? The answer is to download the security patch and apply it to the original source code and recompile the software. But you can also create a patch file and apply it using the patch command. A patch file is a text file which contains the differences between two versions of the same file or the same source tree. The patch file is created by using the diff command. A PID is an acronym for Process Identification Number on Linux or Unix-like systems. It's nothing but an identification number that is automatically assigned to each process when it's created. You can use the pidof utility to find the process's IDs by name. Please note that the pidof command only works on Linux-based systems. Unix users should either try the ps command or the pgrep command to find the PID of a running program. Ping is a simple way to send network data to and to receive network data from another computer on a network. It's frequently used to test at the most basic level whether another system is reachable over a network, and if so, how much time it takes for that data to be exchanged. The ping utility uses the ICMP protocol's mandatory echo request datagram to elicit an ICMP echo response from a host or gateway. Echo request datagrams or pings have an IP and ICMP header, followed by a struct time val and then an arbitrary number of pad bytes used to fill out the packet. The regular ping command only works with IP version 4 addresses. Use the ping6 command to send ICMP v6 echo request packets to network hosts from a host or gateway. This command uses the ICMP v6 protocol's mandatory ICMP6 echo request datagram to elicit an ICMP6 echo reply from a host or gateway. ICMP6 echo request datagrams or pings have an IPv6 header and an ICMP v6 header, formatted as documented in RFC 2463. The ping6 command is available on Linux, BSD, Apple OS X, and other Unix-like operating systems. MS Windows users can use the ping command with the -6 option. Pivot root moves the root file system of the current process to the directory put old and makes new root the new root file system. Note that depending on the implementation of pivot root and the current working directory of the caller may or may not change. The following is a sequence for invoking pivot root that works in either case, assuming that pivot root and chroot are in the current path. So first we would execute the command cd new root to move to the new root directory. Then we would run the command pivot root.putold and then exec chroot.command. chroot must be available under the old root and under the new root because pivot root may or may not have implicitly changed the root directory of the shell. Note that exec chroot changes the running executable, which is necessary if the old root directory should be unmounted afterwards. And also note that the standard input, output, and error may still point to a device on the old root file system, keeping it busy. They can easily be changed when invoking chroot with a dot as an argument. Poweroff is a system administration command. It closes the file systems, shuts down the system, and powers off. Because this command immediately stops all processes, it should be run only in single user mode. If the system is not in run level 0 or 6, poweroff calls shutdown the -h option, then performs the shutdown. And that's about it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Any questions you might have are to be left down in the comment section or on our website www.sosit.co. Again, that's www.sosit.co. Thanks for watching.